So just now I was having a word with my students and they said that, ma'am, why is there so much of struggle in life? Why this life is so struggling? I told them, and I want to tell you now, you all also, that it is not at all struggling. What is a struggle? According to me, struggle is you want to do something, but you are facing problems, you are facing lackings. But according to me, if you really want to do something and you are very passionate about it, there will be challenges, there will be lackings, but you will be happily crossing them. You will be happily solving out those challenges. You will be happily managing the things anyhow. You will not call it struggle. There will be challenges for you and you will be happy to cross those challenges. But when you are doing something which you are not wanting to do actually, but the time is such and the requirements are such and the situation is such that you have to do those things at this moment, I will say that this is a struggle. Like the river is flowing in this direction and you are also flowing in the same direction, then what's the struggle? You are flowing with the flow of the river because your flow is also towards that side only where the river is going. But if the river is going this side and you are going opposite side, then there is a struggle. Then there is a struggle when the flows are in different directions. Now life has a flow. You are yourself a life and you have a thought, you have a view, you have a vision, you have talent, you have passion, you have interest. Follow that. Then no struggle. You are flowing with your flow. You are flowing with the flow of your life. That is your actual flow. But your flow is something else and you are trying to flow in the opposite direction. In this case, I will say there will be a struggle. Suppose the best example, I have got my best friends here, Tanvi and Sukriti. Tanvi always wanted to be in corporate and in a company or somewhere, and you won't believe she gets up early in the morning, nearly 5 a.m. and she sleeps at 12 or more than that, like 1, and she's not at all tired, she's not at all unhappy, she's always fresh. There is a freshness in her voice. I asked her, how come you're so fresh? You sleep so less, you have got so many work to do, you have to raise your children, you have to do their lunch, you have to teach them, and then along with that you are doing all the household work and you are also doing the office work. You won't believe she's doing her office and I'm sitting nearby her and she's just switching off on and off between two of us, and she was happy. She was managing it because talking to me was also not against her mood or against her passion, and doing the office work was also her passion. So she wasn't struggling, she was managing. She was just managing the things. But if she's forced to do some office work, she's not willing to do it, but she is forced to do, or the situation or circumstances are such that she needs to do it, then I will call, she will say ki, yaar, I am getting up so early, sleeping so late, then also I am not able to complete my task. Then she will be grumbling all the time because she is not following her flow. So struggle is when you are opposite the flow. If you are following your passion, if you are doing the things on your own will, then you will, I will not say there will be no challenges coming in the way. There will be challenges. Suppose I am willingly coming to All Saints to teach, but there can be a problem, the rickshaw is not available, or the weather is not good, or some financial problem is there at my home, or some emotional problem is with me, but still this coming to All Saints is my own choice, is my own decision. So I'm not struggling, I'm having challenges and I'll be solving those challenges and I'll be coming to my destination. है ना? Same way Tanvi is doing happily whatever she is having to do because she is not being forced. It's not mandatory for her to do all these things. She has chosen everything, all these things together. Same with Sukriti. She is really my idol that she is so very hardworking, I should say, and I will not say hardworking. It was her will. It was her passion. She wanted to be a doctor, and she also cleared the exam of entrance for MD, and she cleared her after her marriage, and there was no force. She was doing it willingly. I will not say she didn't study for hours and hours. She studied for hours and hours, but they were not struggling. They were her passionate hours. She was not being forced that to sit down and study. It was her passion. She was doing it willingly. Same way, one more example, my Shahzan Chauhan, my student, this year only topped in class 10th, 98%. And I used to ask him, how you managed to study? It was only management, how you do the things. He was not struggling. He was passionate that he has to top the school, he has to top the city, and it was his passion, it was his will which made it happen. If I would say, please Shahzan, you have to top, if I will force somebody without his consent, he is not even willing to top, he is not even wanting 90%, then there will be a struggle in the child's life, that somebody is forcing him to do something. So if you are flowing with the flow of life, and the flow of life here, flow with the circumstances, see them, solve them accordingly, and follow your heart will. Like, suppose you decided that I want to be a engineer in this computer science or whatever, and then you yourself are tired of your this thing, you are not satisfied with your decision, then there will be again a struggle start. But if you are willingly doing something, then there is no struggle. There is enjoyment, there is learning, there is experience, there is observation. There is nothing as such a word struggle. Life is not a struggle. Zindagi is gulzar. It's not a परेशानी यार, it's a गुलजार. आपका जो दिल करे आप वो करिए, खुशी खुशी करेंगे तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा, और जो करना चाहते हैं वो आप ऑटोमेटिकली खुशी खुशी करें. एंड डज नॉट मैटर आप क्या चुनते हैं. It can be a small task, or it can be a big task. It's a task, nothing else, and not even a task, it's your choice. So no struggle, only happiness, only flowing with the flow of your mind, of your heart, of your talent, and with God. And sometimes things will not go according to you, then understand this is the flow of God finally, and you should flow with that only. Don't grumble, don't make faces, don't say ye though I didn't want, now why this happened. It's okay, be happy, don't stop trying, try again, but be happy first. Thank you, have a great day ahead.